Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is 6:43 a.m. on a Sunday and I'm whispering because my husband is still sleeping like a normal, regular person. But I have 2 showings and 2 open houses today, so let's get it started. I am writing down some information about these 2 houses that I'm showing this morning out in Welch's, which is about an hour away from my house. But I did already send information about these homes to my clients 2 days ago. But this is just for me to be able to quickly reference once I'm out there.
I almost forgot I need to be tracking my miles, especially on longer trips like this, so that I can write it off as a tax deduction. I've said it in a previous video, but I use an app called Stride. Not sponsored. But if you're also a real estate agent or you just need to track your miles for work, I find that it's a pretty easy app to use. So as you can see, it's tracking my miles right now. Alright, I'm here. As you can see, I am in the forest. It is really cold out here. Super cold, but this log cabin looks so cool. I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can before my clients get here. They are probably not too far behind me. I actually ended up arriving 15 minutes late. Or sorry, 15 minutes early because there was no traffic on the road, so I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, the showings went really well. I was so excited to finally meet my clients in person after working with them for many months and only talking over the phone. So that was really awesome. I'm now at my open house and this condo is so cute and it's listed at $299,000, which is quite the rarity. And the HOA is pretty low. It's $208 a month and the area is awesome. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because it's really nice. First open house done, headed to my second one. This one went pretty well. I had maybe 7 groups total in 2 hours, so not bad at all. So I'm at open house number 2. It's already been pretty busy so far. I'd say I had like 5 or 6 groups and they almost all of them came in at the exact same time. So that was pretty busy for a little bit there, but going well so far. As far as
writing an offer for one of the homes that we saw in Welch's this morning. My clients are gonna hold off on that particular house that has the deadline for today. We might end up submitting a backup offer later, maybe tomorrow. Not sure how it's gonna go, but they're not quite ready to submit today, which is totally cool. I'm still staying in touch with them to see if they need any additional info on either of the houses. I'm all done with showings and open houses and everything. It's almost 4 o'clock, so I'm tired and hungry. I can't wait to come home and eat. I'm gonna stop by and get some food right now. And then once I'm home, I will follow up with all of my leads from today. I'm feeling pretty good about all of my conversations today and just how the open houses went in general. I was definitely very nervous for my showings this morning just because I'd never met them before, and you know, I don't know, I didn't know what to expect, so I was nervous. But as far as just how everything went today and conversations with leads and clients, I'm feeling like it was a good day. I feel like I'm like now in year 2, I'm getting more confident with my knowledge, with just talking to people that I don't know, with even just like putting myself out there and saying, hey, you know, if you need a real estate agent, I would be happy to help you. Just things that I was a little bit uncomfortable doing in the beginning because I felt awkward, I felt nervous about it, and now I feel like it's coming a lot more naturally, thankfully. So it's good, and I think, you know, if you're a real estate agent, or if, you know, no matter what you're doing, whatever you're pursuing, you have to just keep doing it over and over again for you to feel comfortable with it. Because a lot of things in the beginning feel really weird and unnatural, or like you're not used to it, you know? And I think it's just the more that you put yourself outside of your comfort zone, the more it eventually becomes more or less comfortable, like it becomes fine. So just a little tidbit, maybe that'll be helpful to someone. I'm going to Cafe Yum right now. I'm kind of craving it right now. But to be fair, I'm craving literally, like, I'll eat anything right now. I'm so hungry. The bag is secured. Got my food in there for me and my husband. I can't wait. She's like, I must just sniff your shoes. Where have you been? Layla. So I had my Cafe Yum bowl. I ate that thing so fast. It was so good. Oh man, I was starving. I mean, I literally worked a full day. I was like thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, I worked 8 to 4. So I was very hungry with no lunch break. So that's just how it goes sometimes. I have my sign-in sheets right here. I have 4 leads whose contact info I actually have, like emails and phone numbers. I'm pretty excited about it. There were a few groups that took business cards and like the one sheets that I had out that I have a pretty good feeling will likely reach out to me. But as far as people who I actually have their contact info, it's just 4 from today. I don't know what letter this is. I do, but like, what is that? Is that an E or a U?
Nej, väl Amida.
Yeah?
Ja, Amida.
I also posted a couple stories to Instagram. I tried to be
fairly active on my stories, especially when I'm out doing things for work. I just posted like a couple pictures. They're so cute. Oh, that was like the mantle from today and the little living room. So follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I also often post video topic ideas and like suggestion boxes, and I love to hear your feedback before I script and plan my videos. Alright, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I love filming these types of videos for you guys, so if you'd like to see more of this sort of content, let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram at Irina D. And of course, you guys know that if you have any real estate needs in the state of Oregon, all of my contact information is in the description box down below. I'd love to help you achieve your home goals, so definitely reach out. But other than that, I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye!